E sound, long E sound, which includes the words E, EA, and EE. To produce this sound, put your tongue close to the top and the front of your mouth and stretch out your lips. Then make a short voice sound with your mouth closed. So, this is an unrounded sound. Your lips will stretch out. E, E, E. She see the bee inside the leaf. She eats P and T. Be with me. We will flee with a key. B. Me. We. We. He. He. Eve. Eve. She. She. B. B. C. C. Lee. Lee. Fee. Fee. We. We. C. C. P. P. T. T. Lee.